everyone. My name is Nurainina binti Zakaria. I'm from UniKL Business School. I'm taking BBA in Management and Entrepreneurship. Today, I would like to present my second assignment in subject Principle of Economics. My topic is differentiate between direct and indirect taxes with examples. The difference between direct and indirect tax is complicated because it truly depends on whether you are asking from a legal or an economic perspective. In economics, a direct tax will refer to any levy that is both imposed and collected on a specific group of people or organizations. A sales tax, for instance, will not be considered a direct tax because the money is collected from merchants, not from the people who actually pay the tax. An example of direct taxation will be income taxes that are collected from the people who actually earn their income. Indirect taxes are collected from someone or some organization other than the person or entity that will normally be responsible for the taxes. In this economic context, the law may actually determine the person or entities from which the tax will be collected, but has nothing to do with how the tax burden is distributed in the market. Who bears the economic burden of the tax itself will be determined by market forces and can be calculated by comparing the price of the goods after the tax has been imposed with the price of the goods prior to the tax being in place. For example, if the price of a gallon of gasoline was $2.50 without taxes and the government suddenly imposed 40-cent tax, the economic forces of supply and demand will ultimately decide how this new burden is distributed between buyers and sellers. For instance, the price could increase to $2.75 per gallon after the tax, with buyers absorbing 25 cents of the increase and sellers remaining 15 cents. In a legal sense, the meaning of direct and indirect taxes change so that a direct tax, according to the US Constitution, applies only to property and poll taxes. These direct taxes are based on simple ownership or existence. Indirect taxes are imposed upon a broad range of abstract ideas, including right, privilege, and activities. In this sense, a tax on the sale of property would be considered an indirect tax, while the tax actually owed on the property would be direct. So that's all from me. I hope I will achieve 200 likes and pass this subject.